guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro text sticker effect on CapCut PC. So again, I'm just going to search for a retro font and I am going to make a sticker out of this. So I am going to first select a color. I'm just going to select this purple. Actually, I'll select this yellow color. Then I'm going to add a stroke first, and I'm just going to make the thickness to 25%. And I'm going to add that, copy and paste. On the first one, I'm going to make the stroke bigger, 50%. And I'm going to change the color to that one. Whoops, not that. Sorry, it's here. Let's do like another color actually. Copy and paste that and go to the one here. Add in 75% thickness and change the color of that as well. And lastly, copy and paste that. Put it up to 100. And you're going to change the color of that. Right click, create compound clip. Make sure it's this like the duration you want the text to be in. Go to effects and you're going to just hit texture. And you're just going to add in a lot of like folds and printed texture on top, maybe like some plastic as well. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!